Click on the link below to get price. The QS7 Electric Bike is an impressive piece of engineering that combines power, efficiency, and style, making it a standout choice for adults seeking an exhilarating ride. Boasting a 2000 W peak power output, this e-bike is designed to deliver a thrilling top speed of 28 miles per hour, which is ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. One of the most notable features of the QS7 is its robust battery options. With choices of 48V 20Ah 35Ah or 60Ah, riders can select a configuration that best suits their travel needs. The 60Ah battery, in particular, offers an extended range, allowing riders to cover significant distances without the constant worry of recharging. Charging the battery is straightforward, and it can be removed for easy charging at home or work, adding to the bike's convenience. The build quality of the QS7 is exceptional, with a sturdy frame that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Its design not only enhances durability but also provides stability and comfort during rides. The bike features a smooth suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a comfortable ride over various terrains. Additionally, the integrated LED lights enhance visibility, making it safer for night rides. Another highlight is the intuitive control system, which allows riders to easily switch between 3 different power modes. This flexibility caters to different riding preferences, whether you want a more strenuous workout or a leisurely cruise. The bike also comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. Aesthetic-wise, the QS7 is sleek and modern, appealing to a broad demographic of riders. With its combination of performance, functionality, and style, the QS7 Electric Bike for adults is a compelling option for anyone in the market for a high-quality e-bike. Whether for commuting, leisure, or adventure, the QS7 delivers an unmatched riding experience, ensuring you get the most out of every journey.